Sometimes the hardest part of creating is getting started. A file that won't open, a format that doesn't fit. Quality slips, motion breaks, until it doesn't. Post-production steps in quietly, converting what needs to work together, restoring what should be seen, letting motion move naturally. So creators stay focused on the moment, not the format, not the fixes, but on the feeling. This isn't about editing faster. It's about making sure every frame, every sound is ready to be experienced.